In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate multiple tasks in Wrike, step by step. Whether you're managing a complex project or just trying to streamline your workflow, being able to duplicate tasks efficiently can be a huge time saver. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open either the project or folder where your tasks are located. This is essentially like opening a file in your digital workspace, making all the tasks within that specific project accessible and ready for further action. Once you have the project or folder open, the next step is crucial. You will need to select multiple tasks that you want to duplicate. You can do this by holding down the Control key if you're using a PC, or the Command key if you're on a Mac, and then clicking on each task. This allows you to choose multiple items, making it easier to work with a batch instead of duplicating each task one by one. After selecting your desired tasks, navigate to the Task Actions menu. This menu is your gateway to various options for managing your tasks. Hover over the task list and look for the Task Actions icon, which appears as 3 vertical dots, also known as a kebab menu. Click on this menu to reveal a host of actions you can perform. From the Task Actions menu, you will see an option labeled Duplicate Tasks. Selecting this option is where the real magic happens. This feature allows you to create copies of your selected tasks, making the duplication process both simple and efficient. Following this, a pop-up window will appear, allowing you to customize your duplication settings. Here, Wrike provides flexibility by letting you choose what specific details should be included in the duplicated tasks. You can opt to copy task descriptions, which includes any notes and text within. You can also include assignees, ensuring the same team members are accountable for the new copies. Attachments, like files and links, can be replicated, and for more comprehensive tasks, even subtasks can be duplicated as part of the process. Lastly, you have control over the dates, whether you want to retain the original start and due dates or shift them according to your needs. The next step involves deciding on a destination for your newly duplicated tasks. This is important because it allows you to organize where these tasks will live within your project or even in a different folder if needed. Once you've selected your desired settings and destination, all that's left is to click the Duplicate button. This confirms your actions, and Wrike will process your command, creating the duplicates as specified. Finally, you'll want to review and update the duplicated tasks as needed. Check to make sure all copied information is accurate, adjust any details specific to these new tasks, and ensure everything is aligned with your project's goals. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully duplicated multiple tasks in Wrike, streamlining your project management efforts and saving time in your workflow.